Hello and welcome to the Leathercraft Masterclass course number 4, Techniques of the Edge Part 1. In this course we're going to be discussing all things edge. Edge preparation, edge burnishing using wood, canvas or cloth, edge creasing, hot edge creasing, waxed edge creasing, creasing vegetable tan leather, creasing chrome tan leather, how to crease corners on leather, temperatures, fixed creases, adjustable creases, and at the end of the course we'll be going through troubleshooting common mistakes and how to rectify them. Part 2 of the course, which is going to be a separate course to this one, is going to be focusing on edge paints. But this course is going to be focusing on traditional techniques of how to finish edges, specifically vegetable tan leather, but we'll also be discussing chrome tan leather as well. And as is customary in these courses, we're not going to mess about, we are going to get straight into the practical. So let's start by preparing our edges and getting them ready for finishing.